I'm doing a unboxing of this Youshiko YC9388 weather station. I bought this to replace my Accurate, which I've had for about 6 years. But the thermometer on it has gone haywire over the last week. My minimum temperature has been minus 35 and my maximum like 65. So I thought I'd get this to replace it. I was actually wanting to replace it with another Accurate, but unfortunately they don't seem to have them in Europe. You can get them from the United States, but you've got to pay extra postage and things like that. Well, that's good to see. They aren't using polystyrene packaging. It's kind of a egg carton type cardboard, which is good. The outside sender unit looks something similar to the Accurate. I also like the Accurate as well because I think the backlight on it was a constant backlight. But I've heard with this one, the backlight is amber, but it only stays on for a few seconds. But I suppose I can live with that. That's the unit here. There's a big solar panel there. That'll either be for a small fan inside to keep the temperature gauge cool, or it could add to the batteries as well. Maybe a bit of both, I don't know. It's a lot larger than the one on the Accurate. So I heard it takes AA batteries. I had a screwdriver here, I don't know what I've done with it. Hope I find it soon because I can't edit things. I've not got the equipment. There's a small screwdriver there for the battery compartment, which I don't like. I prefer them when they click. Yes, it's 3 AA batteries. So tight. One, two, three. It's good to know when you're 62 that you can still cut up to 3. That's it. That's the. I think the mounting bracket here will fit onto my existing Accurate plastic pole that I've got on a post. I just noticed a little red light there, so that must mean it's sending. Right, let's get the sender unit now. The console, I should say. That's it there. It's a lot smaller than my Accurate one. Oh, that takes. Oh, I hope it's AA because that's all I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh. The only thing I don't like about this one, it hasn't got a mains supply socket, but if it's anything like my old TFA, it stores its memory and its altitude settings for the pressure during during battery changes. I've just put 3 in and it's beeped. How's that? Must be a different section for something else. Anyway, I'll put the 6 in there. What do I do with the cover? There it is. This is much better. You just it clicks in. No stupid screws to lose. Anyway, there it is. So that, hope we can see it. It's all lit up there. Well, not lit up. It's everything seems to be working. That's quite quick actually. It's got sunrise sunset times, which my TFA's got as well. And if you put in your latitude and longitude accurately, I find that these are very, very accurate to within a minute or two to what it says on the likes of the time and date website. Gives you the sunset times and sunrise times for your latitude and longitude. That must be light. I'll see if it. Hope it shows up. That's it there. Let's see if it works if I spin the animator. I can't see if it. My eyes are bad. I can't see if it's in kilometres or miles, but miles per hour. But you can scroll through it to get the different units you want. Hasn't registered yet. Oh yeah, 1.5. It's 1.5, and I've got full signal. It's also got the moon phases, rain of course, and one good thing though, although there's not one included, is it has separate. You can buy separate temperature units for it, because the big disadvantage of these sort of units is that they've got to be exposed to get the proper wind direction and wind speed, but it also means it's exposed to the sun. And this little Stevenson screen there, I've noticed in all my weather stations I've had, really don't cope with direct sunlight. They just heat up too much, even with the little fans inside. I don't know if this has got a fan. I suppose it has. But anyway, I'll maybe make another video and see how I get on putting it on the pole. So it was quite expensive. I don't normally spend as much money as I did on this. On a weather station it was £280, which is a bit much for what I usually spend, and that's supposed to be a discount price. So, but at least it comes from the UK, so I don't have to pay any export charges and extra postage from the United States. Anyway, thanks for watching.